this video I'm going to show you how you can rejoin the same server in Roblox. Now the first thing that we need to do is go to Google and just search for RoPro. This is a very popular extension. Just click on this first link. It's not a scam or anything like that. Just click on add to Chrome. It's completely safe like I said, and we'll need to add the extension. Now once we have this extension added, we will go back to Roblox here and we'll just refresh, and you will see your most played here, and you will see an option to verify RoPro user. Now we will need to verify our account, so verify your Roblox account in game. Just click on here and you will see some code. Click on the play button, open Roblox game client. Basically what this is going to do is just going to give us some emojis here, which we'll have to input in order to verify our account that it's actually us using this. So it's going to look like this, verify, and we'll just click on generate verification code. And we can highlight this and we can press Ctrl+C on our keyboard or Command+C on our keyboard if we're on Mac. And now I've just clicked Ctrl+V, and as you can see, it automatically verified it. Now what we have to do is just open up any game here. So for example, Fishing Simulator, and it's going to show you your total playtime. And right here you will see a section for my recent server. So if I click on here and I open up the Roblox game client, I'll show you how this works. So it's just going to load up this game. So Fishing Simulator. All right, give it some time to load. Okay, we have entered the server. Now I'll close out of it like so, and I'll refresh this page. And now here you will have your recent servers. It might take a little bit of time for the game to register, you know, that you have joined a server, but it's going to appear right here in this section, my recent servers. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.